Welcome to the MERTS instructional video on memo itemization. To memo itemize a transaction, first make sure the main transaction is created. See Add New or Modify Contributions or Expenditures if assistance is needed. Open the All Transactions tab by selecting View on the toolbar, then All Transactions. Locate the transaction and right-click to select Memo Sub-Item. Prompt a new transaction information window. Select the name from the drop-down list, or create the name if it has not yet been entered by selecting Add New Name. After the name has been selected from the drop-down list, add the date, the amount, and the description of the memo sub-itemization. If this transaction occurred for a fundraising event, select the appropriate event from the drop-down list. Select OK to save the entry and close this screen, or Cancel to exit without saving. By selecting OK, the itemized transaction will be identified with an M in parentheses. To modify an existing transaction, locate the appropriate record and click once to highlight the transaction. Select the Modify Item icon on the toolbar, or right-click and choose Modify to make the necessary changes. Make the changes, and select OK to save and exit. A verification window will appear asking if you are sure you would like to modify or amend the selected object. Select Yes to continue or No to cancel. Please note, transactions within a closed report cannot be modified. Right-click on the transaction you wish to modify and select Amend to make the change to the transaction. To delete transactions, select the Delete Item icon on the toolbar. Or right-click and choose Delete. Please note that transactions within a closed report cannot be deleted. To remove a transaction from a previously filed report, right-click and select D-Report to remove the transaction. Be sure to save and back up the committee's MERTS file each day. For additional assistance, visit the MERTS website at www.mertsplus.com. Thank you.